Good morning. So today I've decided I'm going to paint over a ceramic pumpkin. As the leaves are changing on the trees, we are faced with cooler weather here, and fall is coming. Today also marks the first day of remote learning for the kids, so my time to paint is now limited, and I gotta make it happen now. The colors I'm using are Color Shift Pink Flash. I'm using Pearl Amaranth Red by Arteza. I have Iridescent Pearl White. I have my regular white mix with Artist Loft Flow Acrylic. And in my iridescent pearl white, I also used Pearl Banana Yellow by Arteza as well. So those are the colors that we will be using as we pour over this festive ceramic pumpkin. And I like this one because it's got very deep grooves, and we shall see how it turns out. I've done it before, so we'll see how this reacts with multiple layers. I'm pretty certain that I did it with just each color as a solid layer, not multiple. So, always got to mix it up a little bit. I figured this would be quite fitting for this time of year. I'm going to save some of that because I will have to create a center at some point. Do another dollop of the gold. Oh, I'm sorry. The gold also is 24K gold by Decoart Extreme Sheen. Realize I hadn't mentioned what that is. All right. Okay. So next, I'm going to coat the canvas with my white, and then we will be back. Okay, I'm back. I've got the canvas coated for the most part. I'm just going to move a little more of this around, possibly. There we go. We don't want to have too much of a thick coat, and my paint is always thick. And as soon as I get some of this off, we'll get to pouring. So some paper towel. Not sure what that is. Oh, that's the gold. I have some gold underneath there. So here we go. We're gonna put this right in the center. Yee, I'm so excited to try this. It's been a while, over a year. And we're just gonna go around and around. And I'm just going back and forth, alternating which direction I'm going. And we're just gonna have some fun. Now, I want a little more. I'm gonna just bring this color right into it again because it got a little white near the end of it all. All right. And then this one. Let's see here. I am going to actually just use the amaranth stick. I'm gonna scrape out my cup. All right. So we are gonna let that run down a bit. I'm going to torch the edges. And maybe I'll bring you guys in a little closer. Going over here. I love it. If only we could keep it that way, because that would be fantastic. Get you guys back into view. There you go. Now I am going to come up. I'm going to set that aside. I'm going to follow down the petals and bring them in. All right. And I said it again. Okay, and there goes my paper towel. We're moving this way. We're gonna come back to the middle. We're gonna go to that corner. Well, try to. I think I need a little more paint around the edges, but don't really want it to fold over. There we go. And back to the middle. And I'm gonna come over here because I can see that there isn't much. And I'm gonna come over here as well, because what we're gonna do is we're gonna come right over to this corner next. And now this side. Oh, it looks awesome. We're gonna go right over the edge over there, since we're moving in that general direction. And we're gonna go over here. And bring it back. And right off this corner here. And back. I love it. This is so cool. I'm just gonna clean up these edges. And then I take my gloves off, and now, let's see. We're gonna get something in that center. And I'm thinking, just get this all in here. think we're done. So we're gonna bring you guys in just a moment so you can take a look at this beautiful flower. Okay, here we are. I love how the gold just shimmers. Gosh, that's gorgeous. Gorgeous. Oh, isn't it pretty? I'm so happy this turned out. This isn't as orange as it looks on the screen. I wonder if I can fix that. Nope, that's going the wrong way. No, from what I can see, it's very orange, but it's a very peachy pink. Put all the lines in here. Like, these are my favorite areas right here. This is going to dry beautifully. I'm very excited. I can't wait to show you guys the dried results. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Please like and subscribe if you feel that you'd like to. And subscribing, it doesn't cost a thing. It just gives you a notification when a new video is up. If some of you are subscribed and you've noticed that you're not getting video notifications, then unsubscribe and then subscribe again. Sometimes YouTube, you know, screws things up a bit, resets algorithms and stuff. All right. So that is it for today. Join my Instagram, my Facebook art page, and check out my Etsy. Have a great day. All right, one more thing. I just wanted to show you guys this little pumpkin. It's awesome. All right, have a great day.